gentlemen, welcome to Biak. Please remain seated until we have reached our final parking station and the fasten seatbelt sign is on. Please do not switch on your solar phone until you are in the terminal building. We would like to remind you to take care when you open the luggage bin. Passengers with flight connections are requested to consult our ground staff at the alcohol. Before disembarking, please check your hand luggage. We would like to say goodbye to all passengers leaving us here and thank you for flying Garuda Indonesia. Transit passengers for Makassar and Jakarta will stop here for about 20 minutes. We request you to stay on board. Please do not smoke during the ground stop. Thank you.